Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the autumn filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so here in effect gallery in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. So basically what these filters do, this filter make everything green into orange. So let's select the filter. As you can see, now this is orange. Okay, so suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, okay, go to discover and here search for autumn aesthetic. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Okay, likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. So in this page, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this autumn filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.